Monsoon is here, and so is sniffle season. No food can completely stop your child from getting sick, but these everyday superfoods can help support their immune system. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Spinach brings vitamin A and C, iron, and folate to support healthy growth and well-being. Carrots are perfect for healthy vision and immune function. Nuts and seeds are full of healthy fats, protein, vitamin E, and zinc to support growing bodies. Yogurt contains probiotics that help support a healthy gut, and ginger contains antioxidant compounds that make a great addition to everyday meals. Save this for rainy days. Share it with a parent who'll thank you later.